the awareness of this pollution control activity. The improvement of the methodology and the data for the greenhouse gases inventories. Here the maintenance of a greenhouse inventory is playing the so much important role, while this Kyoto protocol maintenance based documents on report or the reports has been prepared. Here, the carbon dioxide, here the major gases trains or the usage of a train during the entire disturbance created by the greenhouse effect. See, the maximum rate and maximum existence of the carbon and methane based gases that you can see the density of the usage or the explorations or during the entire production process, that explosiveness of these two gases are major. Those are the carbon dioxide and methanes. Still, the gases nitrox oxide has a lesser impact, and even the parts is that in that case that CFC gases 12 and CFC gas 11 are the another two gases. Chlorofluorocarbon gases standards are here mentioned in the fourth diagram. Here you can see that into 1978 the approximately 338 parts per million, which is known as a ppm, parts per million, which is known as a ppm, are the measure into this graph. This parts per million, which means in the stipulated decided area, how much population has been generated in how much pollution has been generated in terms of a carbon molecules, that has been calculated through the parts per molecule based system. Here are the 2012 the target which has been represented by the several countries for the reduction of their carbon emissions, and after that they are trying to show the impact. Here the Russian Federation having targeted to reduce their carbon emission at the 100%, and another impactful country is a New Zealand, Russian Federation, Portugal, and another impactful country is Spain. They are trying to reduce their carbon emission more than the 100%. Here even the France and Finland and Greece is also trying to reduce their carbon emissions target and showing the sustainable development based activity within their country and generate the maximum employment during their country. 5 parties have an alternative base year. Here the Bulgaria, Hungary and Poland and Romania and Slovenia have their started base years is different, because they have started to implement the Kyoto Protocol from not 1997, but they have started the Kyoto Protocol implementation from 1998, 1985 to 1987. Poland started as 1988 and Romania have started in 1989, and Slovenia from the part of the Russia, they have signed this document in 1986. So they have started and planned according to the base year or the planning year of a Kyoto Protocol, and they have started to implement it. That's why this major country have planned or show their projected impact for the reduction of the carbon emissions during this year. International Emission Trading, that is known as a IET. Under this mechanism, Annex 1 parties may transfer the Kyoto units or the Aqua units for the another Annex Party 1. Here the Annex 1 party is only transferring their carbon emission mechanism to only the Annex 1 party, not the Annex 2 party. Those are the developing countries. Emission trading does not affect the total assignment amount of the Annex 1 parties, and collectively rather it redistributes the assigned amount among them. So here the carbon trading does not affect the disputable amount of a trading during the international market. A party may acquire an unlimited number of units. The number of units that the party may transfer to the other parties, it is limited by the party's commitment to the period of a reserve. Here CPR, which is called as a commitment period of a reserve, during a stipulated commitment period of a reserve, international emission trading can be possible. That can be only possible with the Annex 1 group of party, and they can exchanging their emission rate with each other. CPR is the minimum level of a unit that they can exchange, hold according to the national wise registry at the all the time in the Kyoto Protocol agreements. Required for the each party to maintain the CPR and prevents a party for over transforming unit. Here the stipulated limit is also mentioned, and more than a stipulated limit they cannot transfer their international emission trading rate into this and into this agreement, thus impair its ability to meet its commitment. The joint implementation. Here the joint implementation is also suggest is the projected by the mechanism by which one annex parties can invest the project and reduce the carbon emission or enhance the sequestration in the another annex party 1. Here one party is project based planning has been done. Here when they plan the project, first they mention the limit of the carbon emission and then they have assigned the project. Here is the unit associated with the JI, which is joint implementation, called an emission reduction units. The total project emission saving from the JI by 2012 are about to be 1/10 of the CDM. Here the Russia accounts for the Russia accounts about the 2/3 of this saving, with the remainder dividing up roughly equally between the Ukraine and European Unions and the number of states which are included in that. So here the countries which have a maximum unit of a numbers of saving the units of the international emission trading, and Russia is having a 2/3 saving regarding the unit in this region. CDM is known as a Clean Development Mechanism. The credit of the CDM or Clean Development Mechanism credits may be generated from the emission reduction projects or from the afforations and reforestation project in the non-annex parties 1. Here afforestation, which means the frozen countries, and afforestation, which means heat generated or the or the countries those who have a hot atmosphere, and reforestation those countries those who have a cold atmosphere during the 12 months in the year. Unlikely emission trading, like in a joint in a joint implementations, the project under CDM creates the new Kyoto units, and their acquisitions of an Annex 1 party increases the both total assigned amount of the available for those Annex 1 parties collectively and their available levels of the emissions. CDM projects result in their three types of the Kyoto units. Certification, these three types is certification emission reduction, that is known as a CERS, are issued and projected that reduce the emission. Temporary emissions of the CERS, that is known as a TCERS. Long-term CERS, that both which may be issued for the project, and it enhance the removal through the afforestation and reforestation project. Here the afforestation and reforestation combination will be there, while because of this afforestation and reforestation countries are sharing their Kyoto units with each others. Here into the part of the Annex 1. The example is Annex 1 country Japan has a maximum number of Kyoto units that they are sharing with the non-annex countries, those who have a hot atmosphere, and they are sharing their afforestation, they are sharing their reforestation unit with the Thailand, and Thailand is negotiating on the basis of a CER, that is called as a certified emission reduction, and join with the Annex 1 countries and those who have excess number of units of Kyoto units. Now, the revenue which has been generated through the sharing of this unit, that has been transferred to the non-annex countries, those who have a hot atmosphere in country. Here, the basic information about the Kyoto Protocol and carbon gas emission is that a hot atmosphere in country have a large number of a greenhouse effect rather than the cold impact or the cold atmospheric country. Here, the cold atmospheric country, those who have already decided the standards, they can and they can render the services through the CER units with the hot atmospheric country, and trying to reduce the carbon emission rate through the greenhouse gases adverse impact. Details of the agreement which has been decided. The national emission target exclude the international aviations and the shipping. Here, through the international aviation and through the shipping charges, through the international aviation and shipping, which means marine routes, are excluded into the part this agreement. Land usage, because every country has their different atmosphere, and according to the domestic treaty or the agreement, every country has their own different standards of measurement of the greenhouse gases explorations and impact. Land usage and forestry, these are the sink activity, can be used for meeting the target. Here, the regular domestic based activity, those are called as a sink activity. Only on those primary basis, this Kyoto Protocol unit has been decided. Here, another important country right now, China and India, both are the country have a large number of natural resources. So for according to the world, in Asia, specifically in a continent, India and China are the biggest large player. Those can trying to reduce their greenhouse effect according to their natural resources basis. Common but the differentiate responsibilities. Large shares are the emissions originated in the developed countries, relatively low emission in a developing country. Share of the emission in the developing countries will grow and meet their social development needs. Here they have to more focused again and again for the sustainability development based units. Here per capita emissions are financial, decided by the financial commitment, and second is through the enforcement. Developed countries have to pay the billions of the dollar and supply the technology to the other countries for the climate related studies, and they have a adaptation funds for the reduction of pollutions, whereby enforcement, if the country is not compliance with the emission limitation, it is required to make up a difference during the second commitments period, plus additional 30% enforcement charges that they have to pay. It will also be suspended from making the transfers under the emission trading programs. Here in enforcement, the international body is enforceability wise, they have to make compulsion for the reduction of the carbon emission through the reduction impact of the greenhouse effect on the atmospheres. Emission has a percentage of a global total per capita emission in terms of a greenhouse gases impact. Here in China it is 15% and 5.8% they are trying to reduce. United States have a 16%, they are trying to reduce 24/1% per capita greenhouse impact. European Union have 11% and they have a greenhouse impact is 10.6%. Indonesia has a 6% and greenhouse gases impact was a 12.9%. India has a 5% and 2.1% greenhouse impact will be there. This source is the International Energy Agencies and the data has been covered from the 2007 from the page number 201. Industrialization countries were committed to take a lead to reduce the carbon emissions. They are required to stabilize their emission at the 1990s by the level of by the 2000. Here the period of a 1 decade is given to reduce the greenhouse impact. Here the base year for the major Asian countries is 1997. So they are trying to reduce their carbon emission. For the respected other countries like Russia, Romania, France, Slovenia, this country have started furthermore earlier than their base year, maybe probably than the 1990. And failure to do so made Kyoto moves is binding the commitments. Developing countries are not subject the emission reductions commitments in the first Kyoto commitment period. Here in 1997, certain Kyoto Protocol limits has been decided and that has been revised in 2001. The clean development mechanism was designed by the limits of the emissions and developing and that has been designed by for the developing countries and by the developing countries. The G7 wanted a strong uniform emission cuts across the development of the world. Here, however, the countries such as US made suggestion to reduce their responsibility and reduce the emission. Here includes the carbon sinks, ignoring the historical emissions. Here the past limit they have to ignore and they have to every time redesign their limit, and also they have to prepare and periodic review of the carbon emission reduction rate, and also redesign the policies for the carbon reduction rate. Countries are achieving in their first period commitments were allowed to the bank their unused allowance for the use of their subsequent period. Here, if any country have a fund or the surplus of the carbon emission that they can utilize in a second period. Here they can change the baseline. Here they can change the basis every year according to the scientific development and establishment of the industrial units within that stipulated country. European Union suggests the bubble commitments, which means initially it will be impactful. Later on, the people start paying attention towards this commitment. So it is they called as a bubble commitments to the respective nation, those who promise for the reduction in the initial base year, but they are not completely achieve the target the reduction of this carbon emission till the year 2001. US was obliged to